This courtroom just exploded. A defendant storms in, fires her lawyer on the spot, and nearly ends up in jail all within minutes. The judge? He's had enough. From chaos to contempt charges, this case spirals out fast. But one man, her attorney, might have just saved her freedom. Buckle up, because this courtroom clash is about to get wild. Let's break it down.
And I'm going to tell you something else. That man standing beside you right now, it's the only thing that saved you from going to jail. I had pretty much made up my mind that when I came back out here because of what you had done, you were gone. Well, yeah, I can tell. I really can tell, because if you're trying to fire this guy, yeah, you got a problem. Mr. Mellinger, why what has to be so direct?
Why my answers have to be so direct? But yes, I am waiving my right for a preliminary.
You know what? You better check your attitude with me.
Answering your question, sir.
You can go back. I'll see him. I'll see him in a minute. Mr. Belvisi, check your client. Because not to. Oh, wow. Okay, bring him back here.
2 BOOM contempt of court declared on the spot. That's not just a warning. That's 30 days behind bars instantly. The defendant's defiance hits its peak as she snaps at the judge. And this isn't just drama, it's legal suicide. Judges do not tolerate disrespect in their courtroom. One outburst, and you're no longer negotiating your case. You're negotiating your jail time. What do you think? Was the judge too harsh, or was she asking for it?
That's 30 days. You got anything else to say? Anything else you want to tell me?
You guys are just like.
Anything else you want to tell me? Court calls the case, People versus Chloe Whitsett.
Edward Drukas on behalf of Chloe Whitsett, who is approaching, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Here's where things start falling apart fast. The defendant wants to fire her court-appointed attorney and rep herself, but she's fumbling the process. First rule of representing yourself: know what you're doing. But this back and forth, total confusion. She's talking in circles. The judge's patience is fading, and it's clear she's not ready. Self-representation can be a disaster if you don't understand the law. Would you ever represent yourself in court?
I'm dismissing my court-appointed attorney and representing myself.
Okay, start with this. What's your name?
Chloe Whitsett.
Okay. And you're intending upon representing yourself in this matter?
At this time, yes, Your Honor, I am. I am dismissing the court-appointed attorney at this time, yes.
Okay, what's going on?
Until my family and I decide what law firm we are going to choose, I will be representing myself.
Okay, all right. So you need time to seek a attorney?
Well, not really, but I have a request at this time as I am representing myself.
Well, not until such time as I relieve Mr. Drukas.
Okay, thank you.
That's what I'm trying. I have not done so.
Okay.
So I'm trying to figure out what the issue is and what you're intending upon doing.
Dismissing the court-appointed attorney and representing myself.
Okay.
I'm sorry. At this time, I can't make it any clearer, and I don't understand.
You're not making it very clear to me at all.
Okay,
you're not listening.
I'm confused.
Just talking. Are you going to hire an attorney?
Yes.
Or are you going to represent yourself?
Today, Your Honor, I'm going to represent myself.
This right here is how you annoy a judge fast. She says she wants to rep herself. Unless the judge denies her request. Then she hire a lawyer. That contradiction alone had the judge throwing his hands up. If you're going to demand control in court, you better have a crystal clear plan. This wasn't just indecision. It was a full-on legal mess. And the judge is done playing games.
If my request is denied by you, then I will be hiring an attorney. I can't make it any clearer than that.
So so if I relieve Mr. Drukas, you're going to represent yourself.
Yes, sir.
So if they set it for a preliminary examination, you're ready to go?
This is I'm representing myself today. I don't know what all happens today, but I'm talking to the judge without the court-appointed attorney.
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, I don't.
Don't listen. You don't you dare just lean on my podium and pretend like that. Not here. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pass the matter because if you come back up and start banging your nails on that podium, you're gonna be going with Mr. Allen. You may have a seat. Don't shake your head at me. Oh, 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 oh.
This is the moment the judge snaps. He doesn't hold back, she's warned in no uncertain terms. Come back with that same attitude, and you're out. Judges remember everything. And in this court, disrespect isn't forgotten, it's punished. He even tells her that her own attorney just saved her from jail. Imagine that the person she wanted gone was the only reason she's not in cuffs. Courtroom irony at its finest.
Mr. Allen, might want to have a conversation with her and tell her that she better check herself before she comes back up here. Thank you, Mr. Durkin. Hey, so who wants to go next? Christian Felipe.
And Edward Drukas on behalf of Chloe Whitsett.
Your name.
Lucinda.
Apologies on behalf of my client for earlier. I did have an opportunity to speak with her during that break and go over the process of where we are, what's going on right now. She did tell me that she would like to obtain a new attorney. So in the meantime, I can assist her with getting a copy of the discovery, getting a copy of the videos, which I don't have yet. I was going to be asking for an adjournment today to obtain those. So ultimately, I'd be asking for at least a 2-week adjournment. And I talked to her about her behavior in court, and I think that she has an understanding of that and will abide by anything the court orders her to do. So with that, I'd be asking for an adjournment of today's hearing.
Is all of that correct, Ms. Whitsett?
Your Honor, I would like to apologize. I had complete zero understanding. But yes, that is correct.
Ms. Whitsett, let me tell you something. I should have locked you up. You're lucky that I just took a deep breath and said, I don't know what's going on. I'm just asking her questions. And you come in here, I don't think we've ever seen each other. And you just come in here disrespecting me in this court. And I'm going to tell you something else. That man standing beside you right now, it's the only thing that saved you from going to jail. I had pretty much made up my mind that when I came back out here because of what you had done, you were gone. So while you may not want him representing you, he just saved you. But remember one other thing. Funny thing about judges, we have exceedingly long memories. You come in here acting like that on the next day, I'm not even going to ask any questions. You are just going to go. Are we clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
April 11th, 2024, 9 a.m. as your invite indicates. It's time the defendant's bond will continue.
Thank you.
Here.
Again, I do apologize.
Court calls the case, People versus Jacob Dillian. Okay, what are we doing? So what, you're willing to withdraw? Sir, what do you say?
Not his client, sir. He's not, he's an ineffective assistance counsel. He's not representing to his fullest potential. That's what I believe, sir. Sorry, I was speaking out of turn.
Oh,
Apologize for that.
so who do you want to represent you?
Anybody but this guy.
And it doesn't stop there. A second defendant straight up says, I want anybody but this guy representing me. The courtroom turns to a customer service complaint, except it's felony court. This guy claims the lawyer talks to him like a prosecutor, not an advocate. But here's the twist. The judge says this attorney is one of the best. So what's really going on? Is it personal ego or a real breakdown of trust? Sound off in the comments.
Anybody but this guy? What?
Because, I mean, sir, I mean, can I speak?
Sure.
I've been through the system a few times. I mean, I'm a lawyer. Obviously, I'm not a lawyer. I really don't know a lot, but I think that I've been represented enough times to know that somebody should represent me better than this guy. And when I come in and speaking to this guy, and he's talking to me like he's a prosecutor and he's supposed to be my lawyer, then yeah, we got a conflict of interest here. So I would really like to remove this guy from even helping me at all. I don't even want to speak to this guy whatsoever.
So he's speaking to you like he was a
Like I'm
prosecutor?
just no, he's speaking to me like I'm like, yeah, like he's trying to fry me just like the prosecutor was trying to fry me. So I don't got no type of talking to this guy at all. I don't even want to speak to this guy. Not even at all. I don't got nothing to say to him. And then I try to explain myself, and he's like, it was just, yeah, it's not gonna work for me. It's not gonna work at all.
Oh,
And that's the best way I can describe it, sir.
that's pretty descriptive.
All right. All right. I appreciate it. Let me speak.
You do realize that sometimes defense attorneys do that?
I do, but like I said, sir.
Well, hold on.
I mean, like I said, I'm not a
Sometimes
lawyer.
defense attorneys do that to challenge their client.
I don't want to defend
But not-
challenge me. I want somebody that's work with me, not challenge me.
Well, sometimes defense attorneys have to challenge you
All right, well.
because sometimes there are hard questions to answer, and he wants to prepare you as to how to answer. But you don't like that exercise because you want somebody that's just going to patsy you and just tell you everything's going to be okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, I don't know that they have those in that office.
I'm not looking for that. I'm not looking for that either.
So,
I'm just looking for somebody other than this guy.
so did you, somebody other than this guy?
Somebody other than this guy. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, he's one of the best attorneys out there, but that's okay. If you don't want him, that's fine. That's your business. That's your business. It's not anybody's business. That's your business. So I don't know how to do this because he's just part of an office. So there's no withdrawal. Did you talk to anybody at the public defender's office about your concerns?
And this guy came to see me one time. I told him, man, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much I didn't want him to be my lawyer, and this is what they sent me in. So, man, I don't know what I'm supposed to do about it, sir, to be honest with you. Maybe you can help me out.
Help you out how?
Any way you can, besides having this guy represented.
Well, I don't run that office.
Okay, sir. I guess I have to go through the proper procedure then.
What a concept.
Yeah.
How long is that going to take you?
I don't know. I mean, every day is, every day I can kind of be in jail, so I guess it don't matter.
Oh, doesn't matter.
I mean, it does.
So I can put it out to wherever I want?
What's that? No,
Never mind. Okay, well,
Let's not do that now.
well,
Yeah.
see, that's what happens when you represent yourself.
I ain't trying to represent myself. I ain't that's my.
Well, yeah, I can tell. I really can tell because if you're trying to fire this guy, yeah, you got a problem. Mr. Mellinger,
I believe might be able to get someone assigned to him within a week if we could try to.
So you want a week out?
I would.
That's amazing. After the horrible things he tries to say about you that nobody else believes, just be quiet. That nobody believes you're.
This is shocking. Another defendant literally doesn't know what he's charged with. He thinks it's a traffic ticket, but the judge hits him with reality. 3 criminal charges, including felony fleeing and eluding. That's up to 5 years in prison. And he wants to represent himself. The judge is practically begging him to get a lawyer. This isn't just dangerous, it's self-destruction in real time.
Still advocating for him in terms of getting the shortest time. I got to give you credit, counsel. Because I would have asked for a date sometime in August. But I'm that vengeful. We'll turn it out 1 week and see if they can get somebody representing maybe to his satisfaction, maybe not.
Much appreciated.
So I'll turn this out May 9th, 2024. 9 a.m. And if they do reassign, and sir, so that you understand, they don't have to reassign. That office is there. You haven't really stated to me a conflict other than that you don't like the person. So that's not a conflict. Huh?
I don't know, nothing like me. I just feel like he's not representing me like,
I know. With your law degree, you made that decision. All right. Thank you. Bond will continue. Courthouse case, People versus Vincent Lambert. Your name, sir?
Vincent Lambert.
Thank you.
Set their PCC. This time there's no offer for my client, so we request to waive and seek an offer as certain.
He's waiving his right to preliminary examination.
That's correct.
Is that right, sir? So you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
I guess so.
Well,
Yes, Your Honor.
you know what you're doing, sir?
Yes, I do. I don't know why my answer got to be so direct, but yes, I am.
Why what? Why what has to be so direct?
Why my answers have to be so direct, but yes, I am waiving my right for a preliminary.
You know what? You better check your attitude with me.
Answering your question, sir.
You can go back. I'll see him in a minute. Mr. Belvisi, check your client. Because not to. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, bring him back here. You're in contempt. That's 30 days. You got anything else to say? Anything else you want to tell me?
You guys are just like.
Anything else you want to tell me?
Yes, I do.
What? You better watch your mouth because you're going to get another 30. You're going to get another 30. What else do you want to tell me?
Nothing at this time, Your Honor. I apologize.
Thank you. You are on your way out. We'll bring him back later, maybe. Hold those. Court, that's called the case People versus Thomas Styron. Your name, sir?
My name's Thomas Dyer.
All right. Mr. Styron, you still wish to represent yourself? All right, I do have to advise you that you are before the court on 2 felony charges. You understand that, as well as 1 misdemeanor charge. You understand that, sir?
There's 3 charges I'm facing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I understand I'm facing 3 charges.
Okay. You understand that one of those charges is fleeing and eluding 3rd degree? And that's a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration. Did you not understand that before, sir?
I've got 3 different sets of charges, and my charges.
So, what did we just witness? A courtroom roller coaster self-representation chaos, attorney rejections, contempt charges, and total breakdowns in communication. Yet, through all the mess, the court remained firm. Respect the process or face consequences. These cases remind us how critical legal representation is, especially when facing serious charges. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.